I'm Bobby, and I want to give you a quick tip on effectively playing the game with a girl that you're attracted to. Now I know, you hate playing games. Listen, I hate them too. But unless you want to spend your life masturbating to a computer screen, or worse, settling for a mean, chubby girl, you gotta understand how the game is played. And more importantly, you gotta understand how the game is won. The easiest way to explain it is that when you meet a girl, she's quickly trying to figure you out. She's trying to put you into the category of, he wants me, he likes me, I have him. Now, the quicker she's able to place you into one of those categories, the more her attraction to you plummets, and the faster you get that sad, pathetic friend zone speech. Now, with most guys, an attractive girl knows within 5 minutes that she has them. Now, there's a lot of ways that you're unconsciously telling a woman this. Here are some examples, right? So maybe you overtly kiss her ass, practically begging for approval by bragging, saying things you think will impress her, or coming across as like a bobblehead doll, nodding and laughing at everything she says. Or maybe on Facebook or Instagram, you're guilty of liking and commenting on all her pictures, telling her how pretty she is, and you look for any opportunity you can to compliment her. Quick tip, you never want to be a girl's social media fan. A girl will never have sex with one of her fans, ever, no exceptions. Now, maybe it's more subtle things, like you always are available to talk or to text or to hang out, or you're willing to cancel plans with your friends to meet up with her, or you're too agreeable, too nice, too willing to do her favors. Here's the deal. When you give a woman too much validation, she gets her fix and she moves on to a guy who's not so easy to figure out. So how do you walk that fine line between letting a woman know that you're interested and giving away your hand too soon? The magic word is uncertainty. Women have a love-hate relationship with the gray area. Now, the gray area is where she's not quite certain where she stands with a guy. She thinks he likes her, but then he doesn't text her back for a day, and now she's on her computer like Googling, why didn't he text me back? When a girl's uncertain where she stands with a guy, she thinks about him more. She places a higher value on him, and her ego kicks in, and she starts working to win you over. That's the position you always want to be in, where she's working to win you over. She wants to have to put on her sexiest outfit. She wants to paint her toenails real cute for you, and she wants to try to steal your attention away. She wants that challenge. Now, if you're liking every Instagram picture of her, do you think she sees you as a challenge? No. So how do you keep the uncertainty there? Here's a simple tweak you can make. Say you've just got on a date with a girl and you had a good time with her. Instead of trying to lock down your next date immediately or try to make plans right away to hang out with her again, just say something as simple as, okay, see you soon. Something as vague as see you soon will drive her crazy. It'll keep her in that gray zone, wondering if you plan on ever seeing her again. Here's another tip. If you normally text a girl back within a few minutes, occasionally wait a few hours or even a few days to get back to her. It will drive her crazy and have her staring at her phone wanting to hear from you again. Give her the gift and uncertainty, and for God's sakes, stop commenting or liking all the girls' social media pics, especially if the pictures are self-indulgent pictures meant to get validation. If it's a picture of like her at a Louis C.K. comedy show with her friends, perfectly fine to comment about the show or the pic. If it's a selfie of her doing like kissy lips to the camera, skip that one, thank me later. Hey, it's Bobby. If you like this video, make sure you hit the big subscribe button below. Every Wednesday, I release a brand new video on creating attraction, avoiding the friend zone, looking less desperate and needy, and more confident, high value, and masculine around the women you're talking to. Every video will include specific techniques and tactics that you can use immediately. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe.